Hi, I'm Garrett from Crust, and I'm going to talk about our Shaka bar. It's our wide but not super wide dirt drop. So if you want to break into those wider widths but not go full 60 centimeter or more like the towel rack, then this is a good handlebar for you. It's made in Japan by Nitto out of heat-treated aluminum, and you get this nice heat-treated sticker on it to show off to all your friends. It comes in 3 widths, 52 centimeters, 54 centimeters, and 56 centimeters. The 2 narrower sizes have a 26.0 handlebar clamp, and the 56 centimeter has a 31.8 handlebar clamp. It comes in dull bright and Nitto's nice black finish. Each one of these has a 14-degree flare, 90 millimeters of reach, and 135 millimeters of drop. If you have any experiences with the Shaka bar or any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below or give us a call at 804-442-3710. Thanks for watching.